this book, the True Eightfold Path, gives you a step-by-step instruction. First day, so you just read the chapter of right view and examine the way you see. And then another day you practice the right thought. The book tells you how to examine your way of thinking, way of speaking, way of acting. You simply read the book and follow the instruction. Then you can know. And there are clear instructions on the book. Eightfold Path is not one practice of a particular term. For example, you don't practice only the right view. You just make one after another. So it's a kind of, see, for example, it's like a safety box. You try to open the safety box, turning the dial. Yeah, 3 to right, 32 to left. You turn the dial, and if you choose the proper number each time, after you turn the dial 8 times, you can open the safety box. Likewise, you see that if you do this, finally you can open the box. And it's not, of course it happens sometimes during the practice of Eightfold Path. You are given kind of a hint as an inspiration from heavenly being. But very often the conclusion comes at the very last of the Eightfold Path. So I don't ask the participants anything. How is your discovery? What's going on with you? I don't ask that question. I wait until the end of the session. Because in the process of opening the safety box, so you have to wait until the end of the session. So what I recommend is that once you start reading the book, continue reading until the end. Then, wow, kind of some miraculous events happen. So that I think you can get a good impression during your reading, but I would suggest try to finish till the end. Then you can find something. During your reading, unconsciously you cleanse your mind and remove the doubts. So even if you cannot figure out some parts of the text, unclear part, but I recommend read until the end. Then you get some insight. Then you start reading again. But I would suggest to come to whatever branch or the Choja monastery to get the proper guidance by a professional lecturer to be guided. So I think it's a guided seminar is better than your self-practice of the Eightfold Path. The book is very valuable, but in order to make it very effective, for example, the way you breathe in and breathe out, how you concentrate your mind is also very important. And you need a special instruction to practice this breathing technique properly. And also the atmosphere of the branch or the monastery is also very important. So reading book is one thing, but doing the real practice of the self-reflection is the other. So that is a kind of entrance to get into the world of self-reflection. So reading book is as a kind of invitation letter to you to give you a brief idea. But real practice must be done in the Choja monastery or branch temple.